Very good morning, all of you. I'm your English teacher, and today I'm going to teach you chapter number 2 of English of class 3. So, this is chapter number 2, value of time, and you can see this is page number 9. So, in this part, I'm going to read the chapter for you. What you have to do, you have to read it with me. So, chapter number 2, value of time. Man is the architect of his own fate. If he makes a proper division of his time, he is sure to prosper in life. Let me repeat it for you. Man is the architect of his own fate. If he makes a proper division of his time, he is sure to prosper in life. Time holds an important place in the life of a man. All the natural processes depend on time, as seasons depend on time. The sun rises and sets at a particular time, but some people waste it and later on they repent. Time is money. It should be used wisely. It keeps moving. It never stops. It never waits for anyone. Time once gone is gone forever. It is well said. Time and tide wait for none. So, we should not waste it and try to use every second of it. After knowing the importance of time, a poor can become a king and fool person can become wise. Students who care for time and study hard all the year, they come first in their class. Student life is for gaining knowledge. Those who don't care for it regret during their exam. So, I have turned the page for you. This is page number 10. Students can achieve their targets by valuing time. They should hear their teacher attentively. They should reach school in time. They should study in time. They should do their homework in time. Only by following all these golden rules, they can succeed in examination. Those who waste their time face failures all their life. We should use each and every minute. This is a rule to happy living. So this is a chapter number 2 and I have read it for you. So what you have to do, you have to practice to read at home. I hope that you understand the chapter, and in the very next video I am going to explain the chapter for you. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye.